we're here at this 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home in the northwest side of Visalia. Let me show you the neighborhood. We have new apartment complexes going in. Really nice, quiet neighborhood. Let's go inside and check out this beautiful home with a pool. That concludes our walkthrough today for 6259 West Prospect in Northwest Visalia. If this 2,204 square foot house looks super refreshing to you outside in 111 degrees as it does to me, then give me a call and I'll be really happy to come show it to you. Maybe we'll take a dive as well. Bye.